All right, y'all. CPI 9 minutes. All righty. Y'all ready to get nasty? Previously on Kimba TV. Who get nasty, y'all? It's time to get schwiggity schwaggity, y'all. Look at the CME sweep here. So let's take a look at CME. That is bad. That is Bugatti ass. So are you gonna try to long if it nukes first? Are you going to try to short if it pops up first? That's probably what I would be thinking about tonight. Four minutes and 30 seconds left. Let's go. Everybody caught up on the highlights? Everybody ready to go? Exclamation prepared. Schwiggity. Weeks of math comes down to this, ladies and gentlemen. Y'all ready? 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Get nasty Bugatti money. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Get nasty, ho. Oh, swiggity, swaggity. Get nasty. Oh, that's what I'm talking about. Let's get nasty. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bugatti. Math. Here we go, ladies. Oh, quit playing with me. The math is the math. Quit playing with me. Let's go. Let's fly, baby. Bugatti. Here we go, y'all. Fiend. Schwiggity. Here it is, y'all. Oh, TPO, get nasty. You know what it is. Quit playing with me. There it is, naked TPO. Is it a swing fail? Is it a swing fail? Talk to me, Lions. Let's go. Math. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Schwiggity, clean, clean. Ooh, wait. Let's go. Bugatti, get nasty. Easy money, easy money, easy money. Let's go. Schwiggity. Take me to 75, ho. Schwiggity. Juicy. Juicy fruit. Get nasty. Oh, we get nasty with it, ladies and gentlemen. Can we hit the milli realize today, ladies and gentlemen? Testnet, testnet, testnet. Testicles so big, I need a net. Call it testnet. Let's go. Get nasty. Easy money, Bugatti money, Lions. Let's go. Oh, it's easy money, Bugatti money. Quit playing with me. Schwiggity. Schwiggity. Oh, schwiggity. Schwiggity. Oh, schwiggity, y'all. Get nasty with me, y'all. Let's go. Yes, sir. Easy money. Easy money. Easy money. Schwiggity, schwaggity. Schwiggity, schwaggity, y'all. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, schwiggity, y'all. Oh, we get nasty with it, y'all. Yes, sir. Juice. Lions, how we doing? Oh, the schwiggity is the schwaggity, ladies and gentlemen. We juicing on the gold. We juicing on the biddy. We juicing on them thangs, baby. Hey, shout out gold. Shout out gold, Bugatti money. Yeah, 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 yeah. Schwiggity, schwaggity. Schwiggity, schwaggity. Schwiggity, schwaggity. Come on. Kachoi Shiba, ladies and gentlemen. Easy money. Schwiggity. Oh, schwiggity, ladies and gentlemen. Quit playing with me. The math is the math. Yes, sir. Get nasty. Easy money, Bugatti money. Quit playing with me. Schwiggity schwaggity. 26 minutes on this 30-minute candle. Quit playing with me. Let's go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Happy CPI Wednesday. We get that nasty Bugatti. Schwiggity. Let's go. CPI Gucci Magucci. Let's go. What inflation? Juice. All right, you know what it is, ladies and gentlemen. Phase 2, the math is the math, the plan is the plan. Who juicing? Easy money, Bugatti money. Y'all ready? Come on. Schwiggity. Will the initial move be debate, ladies and gentlemen? How many of y'all studied the last few CPIs? I know a bunch of you guys were watching highlights of the previous CPI. A, luck is preparation meeting opportunity. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Math is math. Can we hit the $1 million realized? Testnet, testnet. Schwiggity. Yeah. Yeah. We mathin'. We mathin'. Who juicing? Quit playing with the math. Quit playing with the math. You're gonna go blind. Easy. Easy. Talk to me, Lions. Testnet. 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 Thank you, Sato. Kachoi Shiba Sato. When you make that kimchi, you got to ferment the vegetables for a certain amount of time. Quit playing with me. Math is the math. Latuche, motherfucker, the math is the math. The math is the math, ladies and gentlemen. Yo, like this shit? Pretty straightforward, right? I'm just doing exactly what we planned almost 3 weeks ago, ladies and gentlemen. Do you boo-boo? For the 4-hour candle close, I want it above 65,000. That'll be a good little thing. So, you know, this is one of those days where our bed is already made. Luck is preparation meeting opportunity. You know damn well we've already prepared for the last couple of weeks for all this shit. Shout outs to everybody that was here when I said, hey, I'm not going to be crying if it does this. I ain't crying if it does that. Get nasty with it. Everybody Gucci? We're going to wait for 30-minute candle closes, 1-hour candle closes, 4-hour candle closes. I'm aware of the divs. Alrighty, we Gucci Magooch. I'm aware of the divs forming. I'm watching it. All right, I'm watching order flow. Yeah, and then we'll give it a little bit of time on the Bugamas. Any questions, ladies and gentlemen? Hey, real quick though, ladies and gentlemen, how sick is this? For those of you that have been following me for the last couple weeks, okay, how many of y'all remember when I got filled on that? How many of y'all remember when I said I'm not going to cry about this? How many of y'all remember when I figured out, okay, I'm going to have to TP a little bit. I might have to think about a head short a little bit. Alrighty. How many of y'all were here when we said, hey, it's either 51K or 75K, get nasty? How many of y'all were here when I said, if this is a swing fail pattern, I'm probably not shorting until 67? Are we Gucci? That being said, if this fucker swing fails right here, I will take a head short. Are there any single prints here? You tell me. We don't get bullish on the penetration, brother. Okay? We get bullish on the retest. Quit playing with me. Everything has already been talked about. Okay? Yeah, what a coincidence. Quit playing with me. Math is math. We good? Nothing blind. Wait for confirmation. We good? Y'all Gucci? Let's go. I'm rooting for y'all. Do your best. There is no right or wrong. Should we short? Should we long? I don't know. If you've been paying attention to me, you know exactly what my bias is. Y'all know what my thang is. But if you're taking a shot on a short, do you. I don't think it's good for a short right now. Not financial advice. Yeah, it doesn't look that great for a short. But like I said, if this 30-minute candle closes below, I'll take a shot. Order flow doesn't look good for a head short right now. Y'all good? Do your best. Look at that. Ladies and gentlemen, hold on. Ladies and gentlemen, how many of y'all have following along with me on DOT? How many of y'all remember when I pulled out this fib? Look at this. Look at this dot. Look at this dot. Why do you think DOT is flying? Huh? Single print grabbed. Dot BTC, y'all. How many of y'all remember when I pulled this fib on Dot BTC and I said, watch this? I said, watch this. I said, watch that sing. Oh my goodness. Quit playing with the math. Oh my God. You think I'm surprised that DOT is pumping right now? Nope. Math. Quit playing with me. I'm telling you, math. Look at all this math around us, man. What the fuck is going on, y'all? Matemáticas! Matemáticas! Gentlemen, come on, man. Quit playing with me.
Motherfucker. The math is the math.
This is not just random bullshit. It's math. 8 minutes and 30 seconds on the swing fail. Let's go. Longers, I'm rooting for you. Shorters, get nasty. Talk to me. Talk to me. Who juicing? Spanky says, so if the shorts are not closing and more people open shorts, the squeeze is probably... Yeah, I mean, regardless of the squeeze or not, what was it that I said would be my next level that I would think about shorting? It's because of the way that the weak lows and the weak highs have been getting grabbed. So we already talked about it. If that 63.4 wasn't going to work, maybe you had a 65.5 swing fail opportunity, but that didn't swing fail pattern. You know, so there's no candle close. I mean, there's no, you don't take a short there. You didn't even get a correct SFP. So even though 65 didn't SFP, even though shorts haven't stopped out, 67 is the most logical place math-wise, structure-wise. So yeah, I'm still, there's no short for me, no short hedge, nothing. All right, any other questions? It's pretty cool though how we talked about all this like days before and all we have to do is just execute. Is there a swing fail pattern? Nope. You know, you see how the everybody that was talking about like bear div, you know, make sure you keep track and you remember this stuff. Do we like XRP on this channel? We like anything and everything that juices us. Let me get rid of this bear div. But give yourselves a round of applause, y'all. Markets are closed. XT Sang says, where is your TP stop loss? XT Sang, I want you to type exclamation YouTube. Did you know that I stream for like 14 hours every single day? And for the last 2 years, every single day's highlights are on the YouTube. It's not so much that I talk about everything, it's that you guys are smart enough to ask me everything. So for the last, I don't know, 2-3 weeks, we have talked about TPs. Yeah, theoretically, I would love to aim for 75, but 71, 72 is a zone, and so is the 67-3 sweep. All right. Exclamation YouTube, exclamation rewind. Try to get caught up. Everything down to the pixel has been discussed and planned out. YG says, what if there is no opportunity for short at 67? Then we just aim for 75K straight? No, what you do is you identify levels, YG. So that already tells me that you haven't done your homework, YG. What I want you to do is find volume-based levels, TPO-based levels, value area high, value area low, and point of controls. I want you to find imbalances like single prints and FVGs. I want you to find bad highs, bad lows. YG, identify levels and take it level by level. There is no, there's no, even the way that you articulated it, brother, you said if there's no short opportunity, then we just aim for 75. If there is no short opportunity, that means that it's not bearish, right? But not bearish doesn't mean that it's bullish. So that's the way that I would kind of help you. But you need to be able to tell me at least 3 levels in between 69 and 75. Okay, and if you do value area high, value area low, stuff like that, TPO, you should be able to find some. Okay? I don't want you to get too carried away now. I don't want you to get too carried away now. But I'm hoping, YG, that I'm here with you. I'm done working out. So we got 4 hours until daily candle close. We have an hour until Macaulay. I'm here with you, man. I'm gonna order some wings. I'm gonna just fuck around on War ZZ. I'm gonna reload this blong 69 times today. We juicing, baby. And I hope that whatever it is, whether it's a head short opportunity, whether it's a 67, whether we go back down a single print, I hope we see it live together. How many of y'all are still kind of chasing for longs? We're kind of getting to the point where, hey, you might not want to start chasing, you might not want to be chasing longs no more. Especially as we get closer and closer to that 67.3. So, to be honest with you, anything above this TPO, if you're starting to chase, if you're still chasing longs, that's a little bit goofy, I think, because I might head short 67.4. You know, there you go, YG. Yes, sir. So that's another level too, brother. I mean, 72, 71, like I was saying, YG, that could be a head short. Okay. It also lines up with a little bit of a value area high. Okay, YG. So there you go. Let's take a look at 67. We'll see what it looks like. Maybe there is a head short opportunity. Okay, and then we'll see what the 71 and the 72 zone looks like. And then we'll take a look at even like 73. And then we'll start talking about 75 and sweeping the all-time highs. Any other questions? You guys good? I just hope whatever happens, it happens live, so we can talk about it. How many of y'all are in shorts? How many of y'all are waiting for shorts? How many of y'all are waiting for longs? This is CME, by the way. There you go. Ooh, that's dope. That's clean right there. Berbeezy says, if we don't get the 67 first, what do you think about a pullback to 63, 64 for a nice CME POC retest single print grab? I love it, Berbeezy. How many people are cautiously looking to get into a scalp long if Macaulay doesn't grab the 67 first? Okay. At the same time, if we do go sweep 67.3 and you get into a Gucci ass short, but you know that it's during Macaulay Culkin hour and CME is paused and CME hasn't swept, therefore there's a higher chance of you getting round tripped, you might maximize profits. I don't care if you don't know what a bad low or a bad high looks like. I don't care if you don't know what a CVD divergence is like on a probability scale, but did that make sense? Did that at least make sense? CME is paused. If CME doesn't sweep, but derivatives do, there's a higher chance that it's going to do it at some point on CME. So I don't need you guys to know everything, but there's certain things that I hope it makes sense. Gamer girl, let's go. Tough gnome, let's go. Gibkey, let's go. So there is no right or wrong. I don't give a shit if you're going to take a short attempt on the first derivative one, as long as you know that the probability is the CME is going to go and get you later. So let's just focus on maximizing profits. You would never, ever, like let's say, for example, Macaulay goes up right now and there's a perfect 30-minute swing fail pattern at 67,250 or whatever, right? It doesn't, the CME is paused, so it doesn't sweep. There's no way that you would ever let that short ever go red. Like worst case scenario, maybe some of the higher, the more riskier lions, you're gonna get stopped out on break even. Most lions are probably gonna get stopped out in tiny profit or maximized profits on some sort of like 382 pullback, you know? So it's not about is the 67,250 the short or not. You had already previously identified it. You anticipated edge. You saw it. You took it. And then you had good risk management. And whether it works out or not, you can't lose. So I think that's pretty good, regardless of what happens. Schwiggity! You guys want to talk about anything? But yeah, Berbizi, I do like that pullback. Another thing that I would be like heads up on is something like, you know, whether it's this or this, you know, anytime I see a level, I would, you know, so if we see a bounce here, you know, I'm going to go swing high, swing low, and I'm going to be eyeing that fucking Kimba box.
Pixel fucking it is. Yes.
So just all things to kind of prep for and think about. So if it does bounce from here, we're not tripping. If this nukes and goes and grabs a single print, we're not tripping. Okay. Just like how Berbizi had his levels identified, I think you would want to do the same, you know, whether it's fixed range. I'm going to keep playing with this to see exactly what kind of range we're looking at. That wouldn't surprise me if this bitch wanted to come all the way. Did you guys see me earlier when I was doing this and it said 4.20%? I don't know if you guys caught that. But I'm already trying to mentally prepare. Am I okay to see a $2,790 pullback? Okay. I got to think about today. I got to think about tomorrow, and I got to think about Friday weekly options expirations. You know, I have an opportunity to shave, and I certainly have an opportunity to shave within this volume boundary right here. So how many of y'all saw me when I was doing that earlier? So I'm already kind of thinking, I'm always thinking about worst case. That way I don't freak the fuck out. But I'm sure there's going to be a bullish retest. And if we're really going to go to 75, I want a bullish retest. So I got to man up and be ready for that. All right, cool. We're in. We're tapped in. We're hacked into Sato's webcam. All right, y'all. Have a great night. Stay safe. I'm wishing everybody all the best. Just a heads up, y'all. Binancio Magneto went away a little while ago. Okay, so that 1,000 Bitcoin at 67,400 of it canceled. It is now 616. I would assume that as we get closer, Binancio Magneto will be back. But the fact that he has turned it off once, that level now becomes Binancio Crayola. All right. Lion Cubs, wondering to yourself, what the hell is he talking about? It just means that it's going to pull the price and it's probably going to spoof it. Alrighty, so just extra confluence if you're thinking about like a 67.3, 67.4 swing fail pattern, okay? It just means that it's going to try to pull it, and then the guy's probably not going to get filled. He's probably going to cancel it. All right. But don't take what I say at face value. See it for yourself. You should be taking notes on when it's always yellow versus when it changes like this. It's 600, then it changes to 1,000, then it changes back to a 600, and then keep track of what usually happens. Alrighty, I'll be back in like 8 hours though, so don't get too funky. Don't do anything crazy. All right. Mystique says, I was thinking 67.8 and 68. I love it, Mystique. We've already done all the liquidity stuff, and so there's the most amount of confluence at around, you know, somewhere between 67 or 66 and 60, what the fuck, 67.2 and 67.9. The CME sweep happens at 67.950. So don't get too caught up watching the derivatives. All right, Mystique. X-Weiss, I'm heading to bed. Cowboy Surfer says, I wanted 51.9 bad. That's okay. Now you have an opportunity to short 67.950 CME swing failed if you want to, but pull back to like this point of control right here, this value area low, and then this point of control is an interesting long. We don't get bullish on the penetration. We get bullish on the blank. Okay, so brother, let's not get too carried away here. It's possible too. All right, super shitty scenario, but I this wouldn't be too crazy. Oh wow. Yeah, I think it might front run the golden. It might front run the golden pocket too. Anyways, it's probably not going to get too nasty for the next 8-9 hours. So stay safe. You guys have boo gammas too, right? 5330, 5300, 5285. All right, Degen J, YG, Ace, Cowboy Surfer. Have a great night, ladies and gentlemen. Let me put it back on this. I'm going to keep it on the 10 million while we sleep, but don't forget about the higher time frame hidden bear divs that might be forming, the smaller time frame regular bear divs that might be forming, along with the smaller time frame hidden bull divs that keep forming. All right, and then on the higher time frame, there's about 120 million to 130 million to be squeezed above 67,000. So you would definitely want to be paying attention to how much in open interest you get a decline in. All right, Mandelo, have a great night, Mandelo, Professor Mandelo, shout out Mandelo, Mrs. Mandelo, baby Mandelo, Ace, have a great night, Cole Moso, have a great night. Have a great night, everybody stay safe. Peace, y'all. Market makers, do your thing. All right, I'm out of here. Have a great night, everybody.